उसरा प्रीति हेलो
Heliconias on both sides.
देखो ওই যে দেখেন
Only found in tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest heliconia collection center in the world, and the only one in Asia.
ভিডিও করো ভিডিও
হ্যাঁ করতেছি দেখো দেখো
To your right, dazzling bright red orange birds, the scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises. To your right, wings on paradise. The bird of paradise is regarded as one of the most beautiful birds on earth. And the Jurong Bird Park is the first in the world to breed these stunning birds. The bird of paradise.
Paradise.
হ্যাঁ
প্রীতি
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to make our first stop at the Lorry Rock, the world's largest